One drop can change the whole dish.
Today, we chase the secret behind Phú Quốc fish sauce.
It's not just salty, it's layered.
We start where flavor wakes up.
Good fish, good salt, no shortcut.
Color tells a story before the tongue does.
See how it clings? That's body.
Here, pepper and fish sauce are best friends. Acid and heat. This is the balance.
Herbs make fish sauce feel lighter.
Xin chào. It's an honor to meet you.
Welcome. Thank you for coming.
He'll show us how the first drip is born.
3 notes: salt, aroma, sweetness. Watch.
The sea decides everything.
Freshness keeps the aroma clean, not harsh.
Salt is the lock that preserves the soul.
Smell that. Quiet, sweet, oceanic.
Each barrel is a living library.
The first drip is the legend, mắm nhĩ.
They track time, like farmers track seasons.
Fish, salt, patience. That's the recipe.
Listen to flavor being made.
Clarity matters. No muddy bitterness.
It's savory, but also sweet.
This is the island's universal key.
Pepper gives fish sauce a longer finish.
Same plant, different stage, different bite.
Now we cook with the first drip.
Aromatic base. Then fish sauce to finish.
Fish sauce loves fresh herbs.
Warm it softly, never burn the aroma. Night market is where fish sauce proves itself.
Sweet crab, sharp sauce, perfect contrast. That's the moment it clicks. Wow. Clean, deep, and not fishy at all. Balance is the secret every time.
Fish sauce here is not a condiment, it's culture.
Carry it carefully. This is time in a bottle.
Thank you.
Next, the islander's raw sweet masterpiece.
This salad lives and dies by the dip.
Fresh and clean so the sauce stays pure.
Acid lifts. Acid lifts. Fish sauce anchors.
Heat and pepper stretch the aroma longer.
Sweet coconut softens the salt.
Texture is flavor's second language.
Now the first drip speaks.
It tastes bright, not heavy.
Here, fish sauce is bought like daily bread.
The name matters. Origin matters.
Giạt đầu tiên đòi hỏi sự kiên nhẫn và chính xác.
It looks sweet because it is in its own way. Same base, tune for smoke.
Cling is everything.
Salt.
When the crowd arrives, the sauce never stops.
Every pour is measured by instinct.
Same sea, now inside the sauce. Fish sauce turns simple into special.
Sneaks into every layer.
Đúng rồi.
Tiny adjustments make it Phú Quốc. Even the surface looks alive.
On the island, fish sauce meets rice in 100 ways.
A little, never drowning it.
Locals know less.
Đúng rồi.
Tiny adjustments make it Phú Quốc. Even the surface looks alive.
On the island, fish sauce meets rice in 100 ways.
A little, never drowning it.
Time works in silence.
Same barrel, different moment. First drip finishes sweet and long.
Here's the truth. It's made to be shared.
Just a kiss of salt.
Fish sauce is the island's common language.
Next, the caramelized magic.
Sweet meets savory. Watch the color.
This is the backbone of island echo.
Fish sauce doesn't shout, it builds depth. Now you taste the island's patience.
Everything is fresh, then the sauce does the rest.
This is the bowl's hidden engine.
It hit salty, then turns sweet.
A little more calamansi.
Locals seasoned by feel, not by rules.
Hear that? Hear that? That's balance.
In Phu Quoc, fish sauce is breakfast's backbone.
Add it last, keep the aroma alive.
That steam carries the secret. Simple food, premium finish.
Clean salt and a gentle sweetness.
3 personalities.
Brighter for sweet shellfish.
Gentle so vegetables stay crisp.
One extra squeeze and effect.
Now we tested the ratios.
Just enough, never flooding the sweetness.
Pepper gives it a longer echo.
Every stall has its own secret mix.
This is comfort food, island style.
Aromatic, not harsh, if you time it right. Fish inside and a whisper on the side.
Everyone mixes it their way.
Same base, 3 completely different endings.
This is why they got the first drip.
Good fish. Good salt. Patient time.
Smell first.
Your hands learn the ratio. Taste, adjust, repeat. Acid wakes up the sweetness.
Same sauce and low uses. Smell first. Add last. Balance.
That's the Phu Quoc secret.
Time keeps working, even after we go.
And subscribe for more regional secrets.
One drop, infinite dishes.
Thank you, old barrels.
Done.